It's exciting times in Welsh education. The new curriculum is just ready to emerge from its chrysalis, but of course it won't fly on its own. It needs the very best of teachers to make it happen. That's why the different agendas are now coming together. The push for professional learning, the link to the curriculum, the work on professional standards, and all the changes around accountability, which will give so much scope to schools and to teachers. The push on professional learning is really important. A profession builds itself, and that's why the professional standards reflect professional learning in a really strong way. We want teachers thinking about their own job, developing their own work and becoming yet better at everything they do, which is why innovation has not just got to be innovation for the sake of it, but we've got to consider our work as we grow and develop and ensure that our professional understanding is extended. We want our innovation to be disciplined and thought through, which is why when we collaborate with each other in school, with other schools and schools across the nation and beyond, we need to be learning in that sense as well, finding out what works and what matters so that we can take it forward and make things as good as they can be. And of course our leadership needs to be part of our own professional learning so that we don't keep revisiting the things that we've done before unless we've moved them on and developed our thinking. The professional standards, the professional learning, the work we're doing around the curriculum provides a best future for children. Let's help that curriculum to fly.